Hi guys, I'm Susan, and in this video we'll be looking at number 33 from test 4 in your red book. So you can go ahead and pause the video and look at that problem now. So what we've got here is a term that looks like this: 8 squared times 4 to the 0.5. And the question asks us which of the terms below is equivalent to this. So there's a couple different ways you can solve this one. There's a way to do it if you remember your exponent rules, and there's a way to do it if you don't remember your exponent rules. So first I'll show you the actual exponent rule way to do it, which is probably faster if you remember it. The important thing to keep in mind is that when you're combining exponents, it has to have the same base. So this would be like if we had x squared times y to the 0.5. We can't combine these because they don't have the same base. But since we have actual numbers, we can change how they look so that they do have the same base, which is great news. So let's go ahead and do that now. 8 and 4 have a base in common. There's a number that when it's squared or cubed becomes 4 and 8, and that number is 2. So 8 is the same as 2 cubed squared times 2 squared to the 0.5. And now we can use our exponent rules, which you might remember, to do this. So when you're taking an exponent to another exponent, you multiply those. So 2 to the third squared becomes 2 to the sixth. This is 2 squared times 0.5, or to the 0.5, so that's 2 times 0.5, which just becomes 2 to the first. And now, since these have the same base, we can combine them. And when you're multiplying two numbers with exponents, you're going to add them together. So this is equal to 2 to the 7th, and that is option A. Now let's say you don't remember your exponent rules, you're worried about combining these or making a mistake. The other way to do this is to use your calculator. Literally plug in this first term, 8 squared times 4 to the 0.5, and then you can plug in the 5 options and see which one gives you the same result. And it'll be super easy because it's option A. So maybe that's the first one you'll try plugging in and you'll get it right away, and then you'll be off to the races on the next question. So whether you remember your exponent rules or not, you can use your calculator as your friend and end up with option A.